This is Sunburn. We have left the boat anchorages and we're approximately 10 to 12 miles away from our next anchorage, Pulau Pisang. Blue skies just in front of us up there, and as you can see it's beautiful weather up there. There's Pulau Pisang, and as we come around here, this is a major storm over Singapore that we have missed. Thank God is all I can say. Absolutely ugly. I'm trying not to fall off the boat here. It's just thunder, lightning. It is revolting. We've got the radar on. We're actually tracking the storm because we really don't want to be caught in this. It is black as black as black. I wouldn't want to be on a plane in it either, actually. So as we go around this way, that looks beautiful, and that's where we're heading. So that's all from us. This is Sunburn out.